Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error in the message stream on ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's several different steps you can try if you're getting this error in message stream while using ChatGPT. So I'm going to go through the most common ways to fix it to the least common ways. So the first fix is to refresh or reload the page or app. So on a browser, hit the refresh button or press F5 Control. If you're on a mobile, just simply close the app and open it. A simple page reload often fixes temporary hiccups. Now, the second fix is to clear browser app cache and cookies. So if I'm on Google Chrome, so I want to click on the three dots, click into settings. On the left-hand side, we've got different tabs. You want to go in and click on privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, but make sure we've only got, I'm going to leave that. Those two can stay off. So make sure that check cookies and other site data and cache image and files and go ahead and delete data. So sometimes these cache data or cookie sessions sometimes interfere how ChatGPT stream responses. Now what we can also do is try using ChatGPT on a different browser. So I'm using Google Chrome. I can go ahead and use Microsoft Edge to see if it is a browser related issue. Now, another thing we can check is your network internet connection or even VPN or proxy settings. So make sure your internet is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can disrupt the streaming of messages. If you're using a VPN proxy or have web filtering, web protect turned on, try turning it off. These can interfere. Now, another thing that could happen is the server status of ChatGPT OpenAI services. So sometimes the problem is on the server side and there's nothing you can do except wait it out. So there is a site we can try and have a look at. So I'm just going to paste it in here. So it's called status.openai.com. And now basically see if there's any increased error rates or degraded performance alerts inside of here. Now, if it's still broken, start a new conversation or log out and back in of your ChatGPT. So sometimes the particular chat thread can get stuck. Starting a fresh chat can bypass that. So logging out and then back in or closing the app fully can also reset those session issues.